Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to install Plex on your NVIDIA Shield TV, step by step. Plex lets you stream your personal media library, movies, TV shows, and more directly to your TV with ease. Step 1. Turn on your NVIDIA Shield TV. Plug in your NVIDIA Shield TV and turn on your TV. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Press the Home button on your Shield remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Open Google Play Store. From the home screen, scroll to Apps and select the Google Play Store. This is where you can download all available apps for your NVIDIA Shield TV. Step 3. Search for Plex. Use the search function in the Play Store and type Plex. Select the official Plex app from the search results. Step 4. Install Plex. Click Install to download and install Plex on your NVIDIA Shield TV. The installation usually only takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Open Plex. Once installed, select Open to launch Plex. You can also find it later under Your Apps on the home screen. Step 6. Sign in to your Plex account. If you already have a Plex account, enter your login details to sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step 7. Start streaming your media. Once signed in, you can access your media library, including movies, TV shows, music, and photos. Use your NVIDIA Shield remote to navigate, play content, and organize your library. And that's it! Plex is now ready on your NVIDIA Shield TV, giving you access to all your personal media in one place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.